Watch me make chaos! My brother is building in Monke Blocks Gorilla Tag, and I am going to take it apart. Hey, ha ha ha!
Wait, no. Hold on. No. Don't touch it.
I'm not.
Stop.
Okay, bro.
Whoa. I just went flying.
No. Dude, I grabbed it. I wanted to do something.
No, this one was mine.
It's mine was when you flying up, look.
And then
Mine just sends you forward flying up.
and then you grab, and then you run into a wall.
What?
Will they make it obstacles?
No. I just made a cool obstacle course.
Yeah, I don't think this is a very cool. It's not very safe. You ram yourself into a wall.
It's almost like
My freaking hand.
Hey, G.
Huh.